Came across an unusual JFA file and looking for ways to open it? This is an uncommon extension with unclear origins. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through identifying and opening these uncommon JFA files. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one JFA file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. JFA files are uncommon files without a widely recognized standard format. They may be associated with specialized applications, custom software, or proprietary tools using the JFA extension for various data storage purposes. The specific format depends entirely on the originating application that created the file requiring identification for access. JFA files have no standardized format with structure varying by source application. Internal content may include text data, binary records, configuration settings, or application-specific information. Determining the format requires examining the file with various analysis tools and identifying the source software through context clues and forensic techniques. For comprehensive file management, JFA relies on unknown software developed by unknown developer. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows gives little information, requiring programs designed for the format's era. Begin the search for the correct application association. Right-click the JFA file and choose Open With. Use unknown software first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn JFA files. If the JFA file is still refusing to open, it's expected. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the JFA format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, identifying source. Investigate the JFA file's origin by examining its containing folder, accompanying file's email metadata, or system context. Search online file extension databases like FileInfo or DataNewman for current JFA associations across software applications. Source identification is critical since no universal handler exists for opening JFA files. Next, inspecting contents. Open JFA files in text editors like Notepad++ to check for readable content. Use HXD or another hex editor for binary inspection, examining file headers and looking for magic numbers indicating format type. Automated identification tools like TriedNet suggest possible formats based on binary signatures, aiding format recognition. Finally, testing applications. Try common applications that might handle JFA based on apparent content type from inspection. Various developers' text or XML data opens in any editor, while specialized formats require specific software. Document successful matches for future reference. Online file identification services accept uploads suggesting possible applications and formats based on uploaded file characteristics. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.